NASA's Mars helicopter survived its first night alone on the Red Planet. NASA's new space helicopter has survived its first night alone on Mars. After slowly unfolding from its hideaway in the rover Perseverance's belly, the 4-pound robot called Ingenuity dropped the last 4 inches to the ground on Saturday. By weathering freezing temperatures, Ingenuity has overcome one of the biggest hurdles in NASA's quest to fly the first drone on another planet. Ingenuity is set to conduct its first Martian flight as early as Sunday. If that goes well, the space drone will have a roughly 30-day window to attempt up to 5 increasingly difficult flights, venturing higher and further each time. NASA's Perseverance rover, which carried Ingenuity to Mars, will perch nearby and record video. That footage will help NASA collect crucial data about this technological demonstration, and it could pioneer a new method of exploring other planets. After depositing the helicopter on the ground, the rover backed away, exposing Ingenuity's solar panels so they could soak up sunlight. This also exposed the rotorcraft to frigid Martian nights. In Jezero Crater, the ancient lake basin where Perseverance landed, nighttime temperatures can plunge as low as -130 degrees Fahrenheit. NASA spent $85 million developing Ingenuity. The rotorcraft has already proved tough enough to survive the nearly 300 million-mile journey to Mars and weather the planet's extreme temperatures. But it also has to fly. Mars has an incredibly thin atmosphere, it's just 1% of the density of Earth's. To catch enough air, the helicopter's 4 carbon fiber blades have to spin in opposite directions at about 2,400 revolutions per minute, about 8 times as fast as a passenger helicopter on Earth. Ingenuity's first flight will just test whether the helicopter can successfully get a few feet off the ground, hover for about 30 seconds, and then touch back down. From there, each test will get more difficult, culminating in a final flight that could carry the helicopter over 980 feet, 300 meters, of Martian ground. Ingenuity won't conduct any further science on Mars, it's meant as a technology demonstration. But future space helicopters could open new scientific frontiers on other planets. That could be for reconnaissance purposes, taking pictures to scout out areas, potential science targets for future rovers, or even future astronauts on Mars, or it could be carrying its own science instruments into areas where you can't get with a land-based vehicle. Wearing a face mask may limit exposure to respiratory droplets and large particles and may help prevent people who have COVID-19 from spreading the virus.